This is
610.
610 at 7 Ocean View Drive.
Yes.
2-bed, 2-bath mall. It has updated kitchen, galley kitchen with the window. And then we have living dining room. One of those doors is going to be changed, the glass, but large living space here. Closets. Now we have the primary bedroom, which has the ensuite bath, updated vanity, everything. And then we have the common hall. This is the bathroom for the entire apartment. And then we have this second bedroom. So this is a updated 2-bed, 2-bath mall, unit 610.